FilBrit Frolics back on the road. We are here in Birmingham Airport. We are going to Croatia, and I'm with the FilBrit Frolics guys. I'm with the gang. Chloe.
Least favorite.
You excited? It's your first abroad for 3 years. In 3 years. We have arrived in Croatia. It's 9:20 p.m. here. Okay. Charlie and Chloe, it's all our first time here in Croatia. So we are here in Zadar Airport. Steady. How long is the travel from? 20 minutes. Bus ride. This is the bus station just right outside the airport in Zadar Airport. I think they come around every 20 minutes. This is Zadar Airport in Croatia. And those are the car rentals company.
It's not Malta House, is it?
Our car rental is, I think, is the Avia. We're renting it on Saturday. This is the bus we're gonna take. It's gonna take us to the Old Town of Zadar. We got off the bus now and we're gonna walk to our Airbnb. We are here in Old Town in Zadar. Hi. Trying to find our Airbnb here. This is the church. Is that church that you're saying, Daddy? This is Catholic church, I think. So we're gonna hear the bell of this in the morning. That's the bell. It's gonna be ringing in the morning. 7 o'clock. It's party here at night. Give you a room tour of Airbnb here in Zadar. This is it's like a king size bed. There's some wardrobe there, some pillowcases, and this is the living room with telly, bathroom with the shower, and it's the kitchen here. It's lovely. It's working table for Daddy's work, and this is the sofa here that you can turn into a bed. So that's gonna be Charlie and Chloe's bed.
That's a nice window.
Yeah. Nice. Good morning, everyone. This is our first day in Zadar. This is the apartment that we hired for 3 nights. So we're just gonna roam around the area. This is Zadar in Croatia. You can hear the crickets. The church bells at 7 a.m. this morning. Wow, look at this. To just show you the area here. We just crossed the road here, and there's some playgrounds and the sea. It's lovely, the ocean's very blue. So we're just gonna take you down here, and there's a promenade there. It's very near our apartment. Look at that, guys. It's very good here. Very hot. There's a tourist guide there. Sakurun half day. It's beautiful here. It's lovely. It's beautiful. Look at that. Wow, very clean. And this is the beachfront. Like some tourists there, and you can go walk until there. I think it's all around, so it's really nice. The water is very clean. So later, I think Charlie and Chloe are gonna swim here later. Ayun, and Daddy. And me, I think I need a vest. I need a life vest if I can't swim. It's really nice here, guys. There's a boat trip as well. You can do some boat trip. Yes, it's lovely. Yeah. So I hope you're enjoying the view. Just imagine you're with me, okay? It's for you guys. Free tour of Zadar. It's beautiful, isn't it? Loads of guided tour here and boat trip here. I don't know how much it will cost, but it's really nice on this area here. It's quiet. Where are they? Really nice. There's the gang there. Thank you, Charlie.
Par la mer d'Adriatique, même là aux distances, tu peux voir la montagne. Donc, c'est fort différent de là. Et tout ce qu'il faut faire, c'est écouter le chanson de la mer.
Are you gonna get with Daddy? Oh, that's nice. That's the sound the sea is making here. You can hear that sound. That is the sound that the water is making from the wave.
Sea organ.
It's called the sea organ here in Zadar beachfront. Yeah, when the wave is strong, it makes a sound, and you can hear it from there. Those holes there, that's the sounds coming from when the wave is crashing. That's Hadrolinia boat.
Me, here.
Yeah, where?
This in the background.
Okay. Picture? Okay. These are the FilBrit Frolics gang in Croatia. ferry going somewhere. Souvenir shops. Nice. It's Old Town Zadar. Withdrawing money, okay? Oh, that's nice there. Ice cream. Lots of ice cream. Picture. And this is the market, outdoor market. Zadar. Outdoor market. This is the marina. Yeah. Beautiful here. It's Old Town Square. Ako, Chloe, I'm gonna try. Nice park here. Oh, this one here, Chloe. Some greens. We found the beach now. Oh, there's like a little swimming pool there, Chloe, in the middle. You know? Oh, yeah.